Ya, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, we are going to learn about come to my party, the third part from the last meeting, our learning process. And today we are going to discuss about the grammar rule, particularly the question word, what, who, where, when, why, whose, and which. Okay, to make you easy to understand, the last meeting we are talking about the party invitation. Remember about Jay's invitation to Sam. Now let's try to understand about it from an invitation. Now, if you look at to the screen, there is a party invitation there. You are invited to Sam. Please come to my the 10th birthday party, date Saturday the 17th of October, time 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Place number 11 Queen Apartment, 200 Garden Road. From J. Theme Pirate Party. RSVP. Please phone me on 2354 6754 or my mom on 2676 3764. Okay, from that invitation, I'm already marked 7 important things that we have to understand. Number 1, it's a pointing out to Sam. If we try to take a question from the answer to Sam, we can have the idea who is invited. Who is invited to Sam? Okay, the answer for this question is pointing to Sam. Let's take a look for the question number 2. What question word will be used there? Why is there a party? So the question now asks with the question word why. Why is there a party? So the answer for this question is because to my 10th birthday party. 10th birthday party. So you're gonna have an idea later why we discuss about this question. So let's move to the third part. In the third part is pointing out about the date and the time. The question that we use here now is starting with when. The question is, when is the party? When is the party? So the answer for this question there are 2. Saturday the 17th October, 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Now you have an idea what this is referring to. Next, number 4. Where is the party? Number 4. Where is the party? The answer for this question is number 11, Queen Apartment, 200 Garden Road. Okay, we move to number 5. The question starts with the word whose. Whose party is it? Whose party is it? And the answer for this question is J. J. Number 6. What is the theme of the party, or what is the party's theme? And the answer for this question is Pirates Party. Pirate Party. And then the last question, Which number, which number can Sam use to phone J? And the answer for this question, phone me on 2354674 or my mom on 26763764. Now, all these questions already used to point you out about the function of the question. Let's talk a little bit more deeper about how do we determine to use this question. Look at this table. Starting from the question what is referring if you're asking about thing. Example of the question, what is in the box? What is in the box? Oh, you want to know about the things in the box. And then when it goes on to who. Who is referring to the question to talk about people. Let's see the example of the question. Who is coming to the party? So do you want to know Jay, Sam, Rita, or etc. You want to know the name of the people. So it's referring to people. Where is about the place. Look at the example of the question. Where is the party? Where is the party? Example before, the answer is in Garden Road, in the Queen apartment. So that is talking about places. And then the question when. When is the party? When is the party? It is asking about time. Tomorrow, on Saturday, the day after tomorrow, or at 3 o'clock to 5 o'clock. Okay, it is asking about the time. And why? Next why. Why is referring to the question who asking about the reason. Look at the example of the question. Why is she having a party? Why is she having a party? Because it is birthday. It's her birthday. Sorry, it's her birthday. That is it. And next question, whose is asking about something who is belong to. Okay, example, I have an pencils. You can say whose pencil is it. The example in the question there, you see, whose cake is it. Whose cake is it mean someone has that cake and then eat it, and then you don't know who has this one. Okay, whose cake is it? And then the last question is about which. Which is referring to things or people. So you can use this one, thing or people in a group. You want to know which, an option. Example, which present do you like best? Present from Stasia Hall, or present from Khalid, or present from Neo, or present from Anindya, Alia, and etc. It's like that, about which. Okay. Now let's have an evaluation about the explanation. Question number 1. It is no question, okay? This time you are asked to use the question what, where, who, when, why, how, and then so on, to try to determine the question, the answer, the question for the answer. Let's see the answer number 1. It's his 10th birthday. It's his 10th birthday. What do you think the question for this answer? Yes, we starting the question with the word why. Why is there a party? Why is there a party? Good. Question number 2. He is inviting Jay. He is inviting Jay. What do you think the question for this answer? Who is invited? Yes, who is invited? Question number 3. It's on Saturday. It's on Saturday, the 14th of November. It's on Saturday, the 14th of November. The question should be start with when. So the complete question for this answer is, when is the party? When is the party? Next, number 4. It's at Acacia Building, 150 Kennedy Road. You see the word road. It's asking about the place. You see the place next. So the question should be good. The question should be starting with when. When? No. Where? Where is the party? Where is the party? And then the last answer, can you see the last answer? Number 5. It's Sam's party. Then you have an idea from the invitation before, from. So the question should be starting with whose. Whose party is it? Whose party is it? It's Sam's party. Okay. Now, after we done this one, I want to you join our Zoom meeting so we can have more conversation there. And probably you have to start answer the worksheet. I will give you a worksheet if you want, but if you don't, you can write it on the notebook. Okay, thank you very much for your watching my video. See you on the next video. Goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.